Take a look at this channel, Axon. They currently have 36,000 subscribers, and they have uploaded just 10 videos. They posted their first video 1 month ago, and that video has 800,000 views. Now, their most popular video on this channel is currently sitting at around 2.7 million views, and it was also posted 1 month ago. If we use the next level channel stack here, you will see that they got over 300,000 views in 7 days, and they have been able to earn over $13,000 this month. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys exactly how you can create videos like Axon, using Claude's free plan. But first, let me show you guys what I was able to edit in less than 30 minutes.
It's the middle of the night. You wake up to the smell of smoke. Not a little smoke, a lot of smoke. Your hands are shaking. Your heart is slamming against your ribs. The house next door is on fire, and the wind is pushing the flames straight toward yours. Now ask yourself one question. What do you do in the next 10 seconds? Today, the answer feels obvious. You grab your phone. 3 numbers, a calm voice on the other end. Help is already moving before you've even gotten your shoes on. But strip that phone out of your hand.
Alright, so grab your cup of coffee, and let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. So the first thing we need to do now is to come up with video ideas. To save you guys the time, I have done all the hard work for you. So all you just need to do is open the Google Doc file. The link is going to be in the pinned comment below. So first click on the 50 video ideas here, and what you just need to do is come down and make sure you highlight the whole prompt and copy it. Then you go back to Claude AI. As you can see here, I am using the free plan. You don't need to pay for it. So what you just need to do is paste the prompt here and click on generate. Give Claude some time, and then it's going to start generating your 50 video ideas. It's also going to be ranking them from 1 to 10, so you know exactly how strong or the viral potential of that idea stash picked. So just go through them and pick one of the ideas that has a very good viral potential score. And also the topic is very interesting. The next thing we need to do now is to go back to the Google Doc file, and then we need to click on the next prompt here, which is a prompt for you to write your script or generate your script with AI. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. What I want you to do is just scroll down a little bit to where you see the video topic here, and just basically paste your topic here. As you can see, I have a topic already pasted here. I'm going to be using that for this video. So once you paste your topic, the next thing you want to do is copy everything from the Google Doc file here, and then go back to Claude AI and paste it here. Then just click on generate. Immediately, Claude is going to understand exactly what you want, because I took my time to write this prompt in a way that the scripts are going to feel like they were written by a real script writer 100%. The only issue here is that everyone watching this video will want to use the same prompt. So to be safe, you need to learn how to create your own prompt that you're going to be using to generate your script by yourself. So if you're interested in that, watch the video to the end and I'll tell you what to do. Alright, so now you have your script. What you just need to do is copy it from Claude AI here, open a Google Doc file, and save your script somewhere. As you can see, I have my script here now. The next thing you need to do is to generate your voiceover, and you can use any AI tool of your choice, free or paid. For me, I'm going to be using a paid one because I like the tool. So what you just need to do is come to Fish Audio and make sure you go to the text-to-speech here. I've already selected a voice. What I just need to do is paste it and click on generate. It's very simple. You don't need to stress that. So now you have your voiceover. The next thing we need to do is to generate our visuals. And I've also created a prompt for you, the best prompt. Okay, so once you come to this prompt, just scroll down. You're going to see a place where it's asking you to paste your script. So just paste it here. So I'm just using the first paragraph of my script for explanation purposes. Once you have your script here, the next thing you need to do is to copy the entire prompt. And now go back to Claude Code and paste your script here, then click on generate. Give Claude some time, and it's going to generate your visual prompt. As you can see here, the prompt will first tell you the part of the script that it has generated the visuals. And then if you come down, you're going to see your image prompt here. So you can now copy this prompt and generate your image, which we are going to be doing next. To generate your image, you can use any free AI tool of your choice, but I feel like Banana is best, and we're going to be using Google Flow to generate the images. So click on New Project here. First, paste your first prompt. Before you click on Generate, you first need to cross-check your settings. Make sure it's on 16:9 for the aspect ratio, and you can generate 2 images at a time. And then for the module, we are going to be using Banana Pro. Once you're done with that, just click on Generate. Very simple. Alright, so we have our first image here. Just choose the one you like. For me, I'm going to be going with this one. Now to generate your second image, the first thing you need to do is go back to Cloud and scroll down to the second image, then copy it. Now come back to Flow and paste the prompt here. Before you click on Generate, this is what you need to do so your images and your videos will all look similar, or you're going to have a consistent visual throughout your video. Drag in your first image into the prompt. So it's going to select it as your reference image. So we have this first image as the reference image. What you just need to do is click on the Generate button, and then we'll start generating our second image. Now, because we used our first image as the reference, it's looking a lot more similar, which is what you want to ensure your frames look similar throughout the entire video. Alright, so the next step is very simple, which is to edit this video. So what you need to do is first drag the voiceover and images into CapCut or your preferred editing software. Once you have them here, the first thing you need to do is drag the voiceover into the timeline. You're going to have it like this. So what you need to do now is follow the voiceover and the prompt you generated, and add all the images one by one so they can visually explain what the voiceover is saying. As simple as that. That is how you're going to edit a video like this. So once you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is to color grade your video a little bit if you want. But if you don't want, it's fine like this. Just click on Export and add your video title. I created a detailed tutorial on how to start a channel like this. If you want to get it, use the first link you see in the video description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.